Hello everyone, this is one of my client project. I created this using Next.js for SEO and web optimization, for image optimization, for marketing. So this is the header section. I use swiper slider for slider, and for this animation, scrolling animation, I use AOS. And this is our vision section. This is about us section. Basically they give me the Figma file. I created that same as that. So this is our team section, and this is objective section. So this is one more slider. I use same slider package for different sliders. I customize that same slider in different sections. So this is highlight section, and finally this is the footer. So it's also mobile responsive. It is also mobile responsive. So this is the navbar, our team section. So thank you. This is one of my client project.